Let's continue our exploration of Midjourney parameters, focusing today on how these tools can significantly enhance the visual quality of your artworks. Starting off, a quick recap on parameters. These are specific codes you add at the end of your prompt to guide the AI in generating images. Each parameter starts with 2 hyphens. Building on our discussion of the aspect ratio from our previous module, we'll now delve into additional parameters that will help you further refine your creations. Starting with the style parameter, indicated by --s. The style parameter in Midjourney controls the artistic freedom applied to your prompts. To use it, include 2 hyphens followed by an S and a numerical value ranging from 0 to 1000. If you don't specify the S parameter, Midjourney defaults to S250. A lower value results in a more literal and less artistic image, while a higher value enhances artistic flair, adding more detail, lighting, textures, and depth. Let's use this Deadpool prompt as an example to explore the impact of the S parameter in image generation. If we don't specify the S parameter in our prompt, it defaults to S250. As you can see, this default setting produces a decent image. Now, let's observe what happens when I adjust the S parameter to 0 and generate an image. You'll notice that the quality is less realistic compared to the default image. Next, I'll increase the S parameter to 900 and generate another image. Here, the image quality is significantly better than the previous ones. This comparison clearly illustrates how the S parameter affects the quality and detail of the images generated. Next, we delve deeper into the chaos parameter, indicated by --c. This parameter adjusts the diversity of the output in image grids, ranging from 0 to 100, allowing you to control the level of variation in the results. To demonstrate, I used an example of a French woman lying on an enormous quantity of shrimps. Initially, I generated this image without specifying the chaos parameter, and the result didn't match my expectations. The image showed a woman but lacked the enormous quantity of shrimps I envisioned. Then, I set the chaos parameter to a low value, like 10. This adjustment yielded a much closer match to my desired outcome, effectively capturing the scene as I envisioned it. Excited by this success, I then increased the chaos parameter to 90 to explore further variations. Surprisingly, this change led to a significant alteration in the scene. The image not only varied the amount of shrimps, but also unexpectedly replaced the woman with a man. This stark transformation illustrates the powerful impact of the chaos parameter, showing how increasing it can lead to dramatic changes in the image, sometimes even altering fundamental elements of the prompt. Now, let's explore the negative prompting parameter, No. This feature allows you to selectively exclude specific elements from your images, ensuring a clear focus on desired aspects without distractions. For instance, I began with a reference image featuring a man in an oversized white t-shirt with text on it. However, my desired outcome is a version without any text on the white t-shirt. To achieve this, I've uploaded a reference image, which we'll discuss further in the reference module. For now, let's concentrate on the No parameter. By adding no text to the prompt, you can see that it effectively removes all textual elements, completely eliminating the text from the shirt. Now, if I use the same prompt without specifying no text, and instead just mention plain white oversized t-shirt, you'll notice that while 3 out of 4 generated images meet the desired outcome, one image still retains text on the t-shirt. This illustrates an important aspect of using parameters in Midjourney. They take precedence over the text specified in the prompt. In summary, no text ensures precise exclusion of textual elements, providing cleaner and more consistent results compared to relying solely on prompt text modifications. Lastly, let's explore the style raw parameter, denoted by 2 hyphens and style raw. This parameter is crucial for crafting photorealistic images. Let's take an example of an extreme close-up portrait of a French woman. Notice here how I used the prompt without adding a space between the hyphens and style raw, which resulted in an invalid prompt. So now, after adding --space style raw, it has given me an image. Also, the prompt was accepted with no numerical values needed because this parameter doesn't require them. Now you can see this adjustment significantly diminishes the polished AI-generated appearance, rendering the output more natural and true to life. Delivering a photorealistic image. This highlights how the Style Raw parameter in Midjourney enables nuanced adjustments, enhancing visual realism in a very subtle yet powerful way. As we continue exploring these parameters, you'll discover that each one provides unique control over your creative outputs, empowering you to customize your images to meet specific aesthetic needs. I encourage you to experiment with the parameters we've discussed and apply them yourself.